As an identity and security administrator, this is one of the first configurations you should lock down in any production tenant. In a world where threats evolve fast and visibility is key, diagnostic settings give you the power to retain, analyze, and correlate log data well beyond the default 30-day window. Let's walk through the purpose, capabilities, licensing, and strategic importance of diagnostic settings. Why you need diagnostic settings. By default, Microsoft Entra ID logs, such as sign-ins, audit events, and provisioning logs, are only retained for 30 days in the Entra portal. If you don't actively export them, you lose visibility into past activity, which makes investigations, compliance audits, and incident response extremely difficult. When you configure diagnostic settings, you unlock the ability to stream logs in real time too. A log analytics workspace for query and alerts, an Azure storage account for long-term archival, or an event hub to integrate with third-party SIEM solutions like Splunk. In this view from the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, under Diagnostic Settings, then General, you can see that no diagnostic setting is currently configured. That means log data is not being exported or retained outside the 30-day limit. You're given the option to click Add Diagnostic Setting, which allows you to configure the collection of critical log categories such as audit logs, sign-in logs, provisioning logs, managed identity sign-in logs, user risk events, risky users, network access traffic logs, Microsoft Graph activity logs. Each of these logs plays a unique role in identity security telemetry, and you can route them to any combination of supported destinations. To use diagnostic settings with Entra ID logs, you need at minimum Microsoft Entra ID P1 to access sign-in and audit logs, Microsoft Entra ID P2 if you want access to risky users, identity protection, and conditional access insights. You also need Azure Monitor Log Analytics Workspace, which may have associated costs depending on data retention and volume. Why this is non-negotiable in today's security landscape? If a breach occurs or suspicious activity is flagged, you need historical logs to investigate. Who signed in, from where, and how? Was MFA challenged or bypassed? Did someone elevate privileges or modify a user? Was a compromised service principal used across multiple apps? Without diagnostic settings, your log trail vanishes after 30 days, leaving you blind during forensic investigations. Furthermore, when you route logs into a SIEM like Microsoft Sentinel, you gain powerful capabilities like correlating identity logs with firewall, endpoint, and application logs, creating alerts based on behavior patterns, running threat hunting queries, and building audit reports for compliance. So, what's your key takeaway? Set up your diagnostic settings on day 1. You can't protect what you can't see, and Entra ID is the heart of your cloud identity fabric. By streaming your logs out of Entra ID and into a long-term queryable platform, you ensure security operations, compliance, and visibility stay intact.